In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a website on Notion with super.so. To begin, open Notion and go to the page you want to turn into a website. In this example, we are starting from a Notion database page in a calendar view. The important part is that you are on the exact Notion page you want visitors to see, because Super will use that page as the foundation for your site. Once you are on the right page, click the highlighted area near the top of the Notion window. This is the area where you access page options. Take a moment to confirm you are not inside an individual database item. You want the main page itself selected, so that the correct page gets published. Next, click Publish. Publishing is required because Super needs a public Notion link to display your page on the web. When you publish, Notion will make a shareable version of that page available online. After you click Publish, look again for the highlighted section in the publishing area to confirm the page is now set to be shared publicly. If you are working with private content, make sure you are comfortable with what will be visible before moving forward. Now switch over to Super at app.super.so. When you are in your Super dashboard, click Create Site. This starts the setup flow where you connect your Notion page to Super. You will see a highlighted input field. Type in the Notion page link or the Notion page identifier that Super requests, based on what is shown in the setup form. Be careful to paste the correct link from the published Notion page, not a private workspace link that other people cannot access. Then move to the next highlighted field and type in the site name or site address details requested there. Keep it simple and recognizable, since this is how you will identify the site later in your dashboard. Finally, click Create Site. Super will generate your site and begin building it from your Notion page. Give it a moment to load, and once it finishes, your Notion content is now live as a super-powered website. And that is all there is to it.